In this playlist, we're gonna show you how we made our very own smart rain and well water barrel. We use it to harvest rainwater for irrigating plants in our greenhouse. The barrel has got sensors and electronics that send notification on your phone when it's full or running low. It can also work its magic with a water pump to refill itself from a well. We've got it all hooked up to a smart home system running on a Raspberry Pi server with the Home Assistant and Node-RED doing their thing. You can access it all through the Home Assistant app on Android or iPhone, or just use a web browser on any computer. So get ready to have your very own high-tech water barrel. Let's do this. These rainwater tanks give water to our greenhouse plants. Sometimes when we're away, they become empty. We have a well, and the water pump in the well is controlled by a Wi-Fi relay, so I decided to make the pump refill the tanks automatically. I installed two float switches at the top and at the bottom of the tanks and connected them to this electronics box. What's in the box? In a moment. Switch at the bottom signals when the tanks become empty and turns on the pump. Let's test it. I will switch on the water pump and we'll see if the switch closes. Switch is closed. Top switch turns off the water pump when the tank is full. A complete demo of refill is at the end of this video. Let's see what's inside the box. We have here two boards, which I extracted from those sensors, similar to this one. They consist of two boxes, one with the magnet and the second one with electronics. Those boards. So I extracted those boards from this box. There is a reed switch on the board, like this one. It closes when the magnet is close to it, and it opens when the magnet is far away from the switch. I unsoldered the switch and I soldered other type of reed switches, like this one with floater. The switch is here, the magnet is in this floating part, and the switch closes or opens when depending on the position of the floater, and you see the light is blinking. As you have seen, the two float switches are mounted at the top and at the bottom of the water tank. Closed or open switch means water tank full or not full on the top switch, and empty or not empty on the bottom switch. The specific boards have Zigbee connectivity with quite lower power requirements and can last for a couple of seasons on the batteries like this one. This is our greenhouse irrigation setup. The tanks are filled by rainwater from the roof of the greenhouse. Now there is a backup in the form of well. Let's test it. I will push the bottom sensor down to check if it turns on the pump.